Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'm gonna show you how to group your layers in Photoshop. This is a poster I created and it has many layers. Usually I have to turn off individual layers to uncheck anything, but there is an easy way. If I click all the text layers and go down and click this folder icon, now all the texts are in one group. I can simply rename this group, just type text. Now I can uncheck all the text by one click. If you click expand, you can see all the layers and you can turn off or on individually. Now I'll do the same thing with our birds layer. Just click this icon, then rename it, and you can play around. The best part of a group is you can easily put any effect to all the layers. If I put drop shadow, outer glow, or pattern overlay or any effects, all of the texts have that same effect. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.